If you want to maintain your privacy while using Deezer, hiding your online status is a great option. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Deezer app. Launch the Deezer app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile picture or the gear icon, typically located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select Privacy Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Privacy Settings option. This section allows you to manage who can see your activity on Deezer. Step 4. Adjust Online Status. Find the option related to your online status or activity visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save Changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Exit the Settings menu and return to your music experience on Deezer. By following these steps, you can enjoy your music without others seeing when you're online.